Bonjour, bonjour, y'all. Happy Tuesday. I got the norm. I got my eggs. I don't know. I eat eggs every day. That's like my source of protein. But lately, I've been just killing the boiled egg. How y'all doing? How's your Tuesday going? Well, in Florida right now, specifically South Florida, it's a storm. Not like a storm, but it's raining like crazy, and the roads are looking real ghetto. I got these strawberries yesterday from my Instacart order, and I'm gonna go ahead and make myself like a little parfait because, girl, I need to get back into my fruits. You know, they're easier to digest in the morning, and I gotta get this stomach together, and I gotta get them pounds back down, girl, because the summer is approaching, and I'm not trying to be feeling too bloated and stuff. So I'm gonna be using my protein granola as well with my honey, per usual.
I get a man, but I want you. I get a man, but I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just you. Make me think about someone new. You know I got so much.
Y'all, so I'm a little nervous because I don't have any of my shake protein anymore. I ran out. About to use this Sprouts vegan protein powder, and I'm gonna use my frother to kind of, you know, make it thin out. But I'm a little nervous because, you know, I like to just use the liquid, and I didn't purchase any, but I told myself after those were done anyway, I need to get on to using these because I normally put these in my smoothies and all that, but I've been slacking when it came down to the protein powders. But since I had already bought it, it needs to get used because we're not wasting nothing. So let me go ahead and make my protein coffee. Okay.
Miss me, you see. Turn me up through your seas. Everyone help me. I can like a snap of tea. Boy, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be. Really feel it's bound to be. I can't tell no.
The only thing I don't like about this is that, I don't know, it's a little bit, I ain't want it to be like chunky, you know what I mean? But hopefully this helps by frothing it so it's not like chunky and stuff, because I hate when I put my straw in there and baby, ghetto. I'm trying to make sure I get it all mixed up in there, girl, because we need that protein. And I still kind of cheated and I didn't put as much because but I'm gonna put some of my vanilla creamer in there, and then my coffee and some ice, and I gotta get to eating because I'm trying to start eating by like 11:30. I'm gonna do a little bit of intermediate fasting from like 11:30 to 7:30 or so. All right, y'all, I don't know, I ain't too ecstatic about this coffee. I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. It don't taste like my original coffee now. But we gotta use up that protein, and I'll figure out how to mix it better. But for now, we're gonna go with the flow. I have my eggs, and I add some of that Green Goddess seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's a while back, and this is how it looks. In my mind, I feel like this is a source of meat. This is a way of me getting my greens in for the day, but it's good. I mean, there's 0 calories, so what can you do? And then I have my parfait because I wanted to add some fruits into the mix, and I'm gonna eat that for now. And then later for my lunch, I'm probably gonna have some chicken breast type of thing that I got from Aldi's as well, with some white rice, and me and my baby's gonna share that.
No, Mommy, you can play anything. See this? This is how you raise people. This is Lego Fortnite. And hold on, I gotta put this to the shoulder phone more. And this is
Well, play an easy game that I can play.
Easy game, I have to go easy on you.
Oh Lord, you gotta go easy on me. Bye.
Mom, this game is not violent. Okay, Mommy?
Okay.
You're gonna hear gunshots.
So which one's mine? On the bottom, right?
Yeah, you're on the
How
bottom.
do you run like she's running?
Well, it's not that hard.
Are you killing me?
Yeah, you're supposed to fight.
I'm supposed to fight you?
Yeah.
I don't want to fight you.
Then you're supposed to play Battle Royale.
What? I don't like this game.
Mommy.
I don't know what's going on.
Mommy, they're gonna do that to you.
Why?
Cause mommy, they go out the game is to win.
It is lunchtime and your girl is hungry. After all that commotion, it's time to eat. So I'm making my meal from Aldi's. Listen, if y'all want quick meals, y'all better stop playing. Especially if you're a mom and you just want to get the day going. Them Aldi's meals hit every time. I'm gonna show y'all what I literally just made. So this chicken fajita meal from Aldi's, literally I just put it on the frying pan on the stove top, and I literally just let it just kind of just cook through. Everything's included in it, and then I'll still, you know, you gotta add a little seasoning to it. I still add a little something. So I just put my Tony's in there. So I just put my Tony's, a little bit of crushed red pepper, and just a little bit of garlic powder, you know, just to give it a little bit more flavor, but nothing too crazy. And I'm also going to be using this jasmine rice. Listen, when I tell y'all this is the easiest meal you can make, so I'm having that over some jasmine rice, and that's it. It's quick and easy. Like, this shouldn't take you no more than like not even 15 minutes, to be honest with you. And then here's how it looks. This is how it looks out the bag. There's 3 in the bag if you saw my last vlog or my last video, whatever. And I'm just gonna put this in the microwave for, I think it's like 3 minutes. Like, I usually put like 3 minutes and 25 seconds or so, and then just put it on over, and that's it. I might make some baked beans too. So here's the baked beans that my son loves. He loves baked beans. Like, everything has to have some type of beans with it. And this is the original baked beans. I normally just add a little bit of onion powder in here and nothing else, because it's already pretty flavorful, to be honest with you. It has it's the bacon and brown sugar, and it's pretty flavorful to me. Not bad. It's 150 calories, 7 grams of protein, so you can't beat that. You can't beat that. And that's an easy quick meal, sis. Like, listen, even for you, if you're on a quick little lunch break, or if you want to kind of meal prep, this is probably the best, easiest meal. Not too much prep time, and you good to go. The true Caribbean in me has to taste the food while it's cooking. Pretty sure everybody does that, but just saying. And I'll show you guys what it's looking like while it's cooking, so you can kind of see how I have it in the pot. All right, y'all, so this is how it looks while it's in the pot. I don't know if the quality is gonna show how it looks, but I have it on just medium heat now because I pretty much already cooked it through, and I just added my seasonings to it, and that's it, that's all. What's up, y'all? Good morning. What's going on? What's poppin'? Happy Wednesday, by the way. If you live in South Florida, you already know what's going on out these doors. It's been raining like crazy the whole entire day since yesterday, and apparently we have some whole tropical storm thing going on, but it's Florida. We're kind of used to it, but honestly, this weather has been slightly depressing. I say slightly because being indoors all day and not even having the option to kind of go out and get a little bit of sun is annoying. Only because I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, we need some sun. But I'm about to have some of this very green 100% juice smoothie. It has banana, mango, and kiwi, and some other added ingredients, I guess. What other added ingredients? That's the problem. You already know I've been preaching this in every video. I'm trying to do better with my greens and my fruit intakes, trying to get back into that, and also more fiber in general, because the way this bloating set up, baby, get somebody else to do it, okay? It's not gonna be much going on today. I honestly don't even feel like rambling on all day, but I wanted to show up and show out on this vlog no matter what, because we got goals to reach, y'all. And speaking of goals, if you could so kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll give you a minute. There you go. And if you are new here, thank you so much for watching my channel. I truly appreciate your support, whether you come back or not, but I would genuinely appreciate it if you come back. I mean, I know lately the vlog's kind of been kind of blah, but we're working on getting up there, and I have a couple more ideas for my channel, but no excuses, we gonna get it done. I just need your support, because it's one thing to do this, but sometimes when you feel like you don't have no support, it can kind of get you down. But we gonna rock and we gonna roll regardless. So if you can hit like on this video, I'll truly appreciate that. And if you can also subscribe and leave me a little green heart also, I'll truly appreciate that. But I won't keep y'all. I'm honestly just gonna get to work, get myself together. I'm not even gonna make like a crazy heavy breakfast. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap in and drink this, get myself going. It's 10:30 right now, so it's still fairly early in the morning, and I feel heavy as heck. Sister girl is about to pay me a monthly visit in a couple days, so yeah, my energy been up and down, and not only that, just the bloatiness, and I need to lose another 10 pounds, but that's a whole nother story. Anyhow, I'll catch up with you guys later. So yeah, just wanted to show up and tell you guys good morning.
My dog is on bro, bitch. Another 5 years. Drinking girls till it's no good. All time, I'm headed to the top right now. And I can put a couple pounds in my pocket right now.
Hey y'all, what's up, what's going? It's Friday. I haven't really checked in with y'all, but I figured it's Friday, why not give y'all a little holla. I'm headed to the mall just to kind of browse around. You know, it's Friday, never know, I'm not gonna be too bad, but I had to make some returns, and then I need to go return these dang on towels. So that's gonna be my next move. So I'm not gonna spend too much time in here. I'm gonna give myself maybe like a 30-minute max. It's 5:30 right now, so I'm going to definitely head on out at about 6, no later than 6:15. So let me get up in here and see what's popping, see what's new. I wanted to stop in Tory Burch. I might stop in there, I don't know, but I'll see. If there's anything for me to really grab, then I'll show you guys. But I mean, I'm just gonna poke in here. But happy Friday, y'all. I hope y'all got through this week. Listen, Florida was in shambles. Okay, Florida has been in shambles. Like, this rain has been just horrendous, like just so annoying, so gloomy, so depressing, and just been indoors, you know what I mean? But the sun is out right now, and I was like, oh, we outside. I'm not gonna stay inside no more for the rest of, I need a couple hours of this sun. Like, I never wanted the sun so bad in my life. Okay, I could be on the island though right now with somebody's son, but you know, I ain't there. So I'm gonna just take it for what it is. And that's it really. I ain't got nothing much going on for the day. I just wanted to definitely check in, and I wanted to step out this house and get things done. And I'm feeling cute. I'm wearing my little Amazon outfit and my Tory bag and my Tory Kyra sandals. I didn't show you guys because I was just really trying to get up out that house. But let me get up in here and stop talking, because baby, we'll be here forever talking. But have a good Friday.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Watch your feet. Go, baby, go. Womp, womp, womp. You need the little edge thing? Let me get my drink. Yummy.
Thank